case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A case involving 24 Mexican film production companies and Authors' Rights Restoration Corps, among others, was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in 2003. The lawsuit centered on whether Mexican film production companies could hold copyrights under Mexican law for films distributed in the U.S. and whether the Uruguay Round Agreement Act, URAA, applied to copyright restoration. The district court found in favor of the 24 companies, but the defendants appealed, challenging the plaintiffs' right to hold copyrights and the awarding of damages. The appellate court mostly affirmed the lower court's decision but required the plaintiffs to provide evidence of full costs and reasonable fees for attorney fees and costs in a copyright infringement and unfair competition case. The court found 7 of the 88 films ineligible for copyright restoration, and the defendants' appeal for a remittiture order was denied.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.